today's watercolor tutorial, I'll be painting a monochrome forest, which means that we'll be using different shades of just one color for the entire piece. Watercolor painting makes me feel calm, especially when I don't have any expectations of the outcome and just focus on the creative process itself. The goal is to let you experience the happiness and relaxation of painting too. Please remember that you can follow this watercolor tutorial at your own pace. I'm painting the monochrome forest in a square format with clear white edges. I think the clear white edges give the painting just a little bit extra. If you like to have clear white edges too, you can use masking tape to cover the edges of your paper. Feel free to paint this forest in another format. It's your painting and you're in control. For this painting, I'm using two round brushes, a size 20 for the background and a size 8 for the trees and the branches. The exciting part of this painting is that you only need one color and you can pick any color you like. Use your imagination. It's so much fun to just paint a pink or a yellow forest. I chose to paint with indigo blue, since I think this color gives the painting a mysterious feeling. For the background, we're using the wet on dry technique. Apply wet paint on your dry paper with a big brush. Start painting at the bottom of your paper with the medium mix of your paint. Start painting with the lightest mix when you're halfway up. Make sure your background is dry before you start painting the first layer of trees. You can either wait for the background to dry or you can use a hairdryer. It's time to start painting our trees with our smaller round brush now. Here too, make use of your creative freedom. You can paint any trees you like. You can paint pine trees or even palm trees.